Today we're going to make a Tangram Activity Bag, and this is a simple Chinese puzzle that is really a lot harder than it looks. We are going to make it for children probably ages 5 and up. Usually the older children can do it much easier, but it's a great mind-challenging activity. So the first thing you should have done was downloaded and printed off the Tangram puzzle. And then if you printed off the puzzles that the kids can make from abcteach.com, and we are going to first go ahead and cut out all of the puzzles on the black line so that we have separate cards, and we're going to cut the Tangram puzzle out just in the large square. So go ahead and do that now. Now that we have all the pieces cut out, we're going to laminate each of the pieces for more durability. You don't have to do this, but the way my kids play with activity bags like this, they would use it a lot, and so the more durability I have, the less times I have to make it and remake it. You're going to take some clear contact paper and make sure that it is about a ½ an inch bigger than each of the pieces that you're going to cover. So we're going to need a fairly large piece for the square, and then we'll need just several smaller pieces for the little cards. But you're going to cut 2 for each card that you cover. So go ahead and click pause and click the cut those pieces right now. Laminating the pieces is really very easy. You're just going to separate the clear contact paper from the backing itself. Lay the contact paper sticky side up on your table. Then you're going to take your square Tangram piece and you're going to curve it just a little bit like this and lay it down on the clear contact paper on the sticky side and smooth it down with your hands. We'll move that piece out of the way, and we're going to take our second piece of clear contact paper, that's this for the square, separate it from its backing, place it on the table sticky side up, and we're going to take the Tangram piece and the side that's not covered, we're going to put that right on top of the new sticky piece. Smooth it down really well, get all those bubbles out, make sure that the edges are fairly secure. Now that we have that part done, we're going to trim the Tangram square, and basically all I'm doing is cutting along the edges of the square. We're just trimming the lamination off. Then we're going to cut along each of the black lines and cut out each of the shapes. Now once this puzzle is cut apart from the square, it is not easy to put back together. It may look very simple, but truly it is not. Once all those pieces are cut apart, then laminate all of the cards that you have. And we like to keep all of our activity bags in quart size, or sometimes you might need bigger Ziploc bags. This way you can just grab what you want and go. We tuck everything inside there, and you can just go ahead and label it right on the bag, or you can put a sticker over it and label the sticker, and you might want to add some directions just in case you forget, or if you want to hand it off to Grandma and Grandpa if they're taking the kids. These activity bags are great to take to a restaurant, the doctor's office, any place that you'll be doing some waiting.